this bike, well, it's a 99 SV650, and right before Barber of 2025 with Arma, I wanted to build one, and I had a pile of parts, so this is the outcome. So we'll start with the basics. The engine is stock, and I didn't know what was in it before going to Barber. And then just now I did the cam swap and checked the valves. I'm going to assume the rest is stock. It has stock carbs, stock jetting. The front end is 01 GSXR 600. I just now revalved it and I made these fork caps so I can get some more length out of them, as they're not quite long enough to get the ideal geometry. The front wheel is a Marvick Super Spin, Brembo rotors, Brembo caliper, billet calipers. I also made a pool cup. The piece that holds the pool cup presses into the stock GSXR axle. Why did I do that? I just think that looks cool. On the rear of the bike is a CBR F3 rear rim. I like the 5-inch rear rim for the 160 tire. That's a Pirelli SC2. Again, another pool cup on the rear. This though is a full axle that houses the pool cup. It's aluminum, made out of 7 series aluminum. We run a Vortex sprocket. I run a 14 tooth front sprocket with a 41 rear or 42 rear depending on the track. The chain is a EK 3D. That's actually a motocross chain. Really lightweight, non-O-ring. It's not going to last a long time, but it's light. I always run the 707 aluminum dog bones, easy to save weight. Titanium linkage bolts. The shock is a Öhlins unit off of a Kawasaki ZX6 that I revalved, lengthened, and the hydraulic preload adjuster is mounted back here. Now, as you can see, those are blue number plates. Those are from when I raced Moto America Twins Cup. These fairings and the tail are off my Aprilia RS660 from 2021, and then I had some leftover number plates, so clubs don't care. I'll use them for now. Those are the stock GSXR triple clamps. I just planed it and machined off the ignition mount. Woodcraft clip-ons, Motion Pro, revolver with a custom cable to work with the stock carbs, Brembo, master cylinder, Vortex lever guard. The fairings are mounted. That's a Robum Engineering fairing stay made by Freddie. And then I used the Woodcraft frame sliders to mount the sides of the fairings. We got the close off. There's not much excitement here. Stock carbs, stock airbox, stock air filter. The only difference in the carbs is a slightly bigger main jet. That's it. The subframe obviously here is chopped, and the harness is chopped. We only have the ECU and the rectifier back here. The seat post for the tail, there's a third one that is mounted to the tank mount here, and these back two are just like bumpers that it sits on. That is the TWF forward mount battery box with a Schrei battery, and the main solenoid was relocated up there. The ground cable just comes right down there and mounts to the one starter bolt. I was a bit hesitant to even make this video at first because I'm not quite done with the bike. I have these pool cups, but it's not quite done until you have the rest of the setup. So when I started, I'm not done, is machining a mount here for hooks. And then I'm going to make a captive holder for this Brembo caliper. Put Brembo in quotes. It's actually a Moto 3 style front brake caliper. But I have no idea when that's going to get done.